Hi, we're going to learn how to play the G major scale to the 9th degree. First we start on a G, then we go to A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G, A, back down to G, F sharp, E, D, C, B, A, and down to G. What are the fingerings for these notes? G is thumb 1, 2, 3. A is thumb 1, 2. B is thumb 1. C is thumb 2. D is just 2. High E, we have to crack the back, so we do the half of the back plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you have to blow a little faster to get the high E out. Then we have F sharp, we lift up the index, so it's crack the back 1, 2, 3, 5. Then we lift this finger off and we get a high G. It's just like a low G, but you crack the back. And then we do the high A, which is just like the low A, but you crack the back, high A. Then we come down, high G, high F sharp, high E, D, take your thumb off, C, put your thumb back, B, A, and G. Let's see what it sounds like. Let's do it slowly now. Take your thumb off. Crack the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lift up the index. Lift off your right hand. Up to high A. Back to high G. F sharp, middle finger on the right hand. E. D, take your thumb off. C, thumb 2. Thumb 1 for B, thumb 1, 2, A, and G, thumb 1, 2, 3. Let's do it together, nice and slowly. Thank you. Now we're going to work on the D major scale to the 9th degree. We're going to do low D, low E, low F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, take your thumb off, with the 1 and 2, take your thumb off, D, high E is crack the back, just half of the back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we go down to the D. D, C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp, E, and D. Now let's go over the fingerings. Low D is thumb 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Low E, thumb 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Low F sharp, thumb 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. G is thumb 1, 2, 3. A is thumb 1, 2. B is thumb 1. C sharp is 1, 2 with no thumb. It's just like an A, but you take off your thumb. D is just the middle finger with no thumb. And then high E is going to be half the back. I say crack the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And remember, when you play high E and any note above there, you have to blow a little faster to get the note out. Then you come back down to the D, to the C sharp, then the B, the A, the G, thumb 1, 2, 3, F sharp. Make sure you're pointing to this guy with this index and you're using the middle finger and the ring finger for the F sharp, the E, and the low D. And the low notes, you have to blow them very softly or they don't like to work. So just be gentle. Let's see what this sounds like. Low D, low E, F sharp, low G, low A, B, C sharp, D, high E, crack the back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, what am I saying? Thumb 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back down, D, C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp, point to the sky, E, low D. Now let's play it together without interrupting with the fingerings. Let's do it slower. Remember to crack the back. Thank you. Hello. Now we're going to work on the Introductory Cadenza for Bailando. The first measure has 4 quarter notes, a low E, a low G, a B, and a high E. You have to crack the back for the high E. They're all staccato, so they're all short. So it's going to sound like this. Low E, thumb 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. G, thumb 1, 2, 3. B, thumb 1. And high E, crack the back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's play it together. The first 4 quarter notes, short. Okay? Second measure is F sharp, G, F sharp, E. All those notes, you have to crack your back. Okay? Half of the thumb hole. So it's F sharp, G, F sharp, E. It says here 2, do, 2, 2. So we're going to go 2, do, 2, 2. Whenever you get a lot of saliva accumulated in your recorder, high notes don't come out easily. So I always go to make the high notes come out more easily. Next measure. You have 2/8 notes, 2 B's, second one has a staccato. So we're gonna go, and then the high B is, wow, this is a tricky note. Crack the back, 1, 2, 4, 5. Let's crack the back, 1, 2, 4, 5. And you have to blow really loudly, very fast, so that the B will come out. Then you have high A, which is just like the low A, but you crack the back. A, and then G, back to A, down to G again, and F sharp. Okay? So what would this sound like if you put it all together? It's kind of tricky. Let's do it again. The next measure has G, F sharp, E. F sharp, E, D. It's a pattern. E, D, C, and D, C, A. So high G is crack 1, 2, 3, and then F sharp, you add the middle finger in the right hand, and then E, it's crack the back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lift up your index. The high F sharp is crack 1, 2, 3, 5. High E, crack 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. D is just 2. High E is crack the back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. D, just 2. C, put down your thumb. D, take off your thumb. C, put down your thumb again. And A, thumb 1, 2. It says accelerando, which means you're going to go faster and faster, but we have to learn it first before we can do fun things with it. Let's do it again. Remember, we're starting on a high G. It's just like a low G. You crack the back and you put a lot of air, fast air through the recorder. So if you wanted to do an accelerando, that's if you can get it really well under your fingers, then you can do that fancy stuff, but you don't really have to, unless you want to show off. Next line, measure 5. B, C, B, C, B, C. I'll just continue since it's all B's and C's on this line. B, C, B, C, and then we're doing a new funny B like this, because then we're going to trill and go like that. It's actually kind of fun. I just learned this trill myself. Let's do 5 and 6 together. B's and C's, that's it. We start off with 2 quarters, then we go to 8th notes, 4 8th notes, and then we go to 4 16th notes. And then we land on the dotted half. So it's going to go B, C, B, C, B, C, B, C, B, C, ba do 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 do. I'll play it for you. You want to try the whole thing together? I'm scared. Let's do this. Four. That's if you do it fast. Let's do it again, slowly.